Welcome student. Today we are going to learn 2.1 poem, that is You Start Dying Slowly. It is very nice poem. In this poem we get various things to learn. That is, this poem is written by the famous poet, that is Pablo Neruda, and this is a didactic poem in the very positive sense of the term. Unlike the many didactic poems imparting worn out pieces of advice, this poem very much appeals to the modern sensibilities. The poem reminds us once again the age old wisdom that life must flow and renew itself at every moment of its being. According to the poet, we must not be the stagnant and repetitive or conventional in the way we lead our life. This is a small intro for your poem, that is You Start Dying Slowly. Now we will do some warming up session that is so interesting. See, in the warming up session we have given one chit chat section. In the chit chat section we have to assume the ABCD as a speaker, ask the assigned question in your group and discuss. You have to make a pair of students, that is a speaker, that is A, B, C and D. The assigned question we have given to the students. Now we are assuming that we are on a virtual classroom, that's why we are doing this activity by myself only, but you have to try to answer every question in our comment box. That gives us the clear idea that you are understanding this language or you are doing this activity with me or not. Okay, now we will focus on the first question given us in the chit chat section, and you do not have to mug up the knowledge. You have to just understand what the question is tell, and you have to just express your feeling which you feel from the inner side. English language is not just for the use of written and mugging up knowledge. It is not required for that. If you want to succeed in your life, you can utilize your English language in very vast way. If you know the English correctly, you can't be in trouble in near future about anything, that getting a job or building a business, or if you want to be an officer, you will do anything. But if you don't if you just mug up the English language and try to just giving the answer in written format, then it will not utilized by you in your future. As we all know, there is a new educational policy given in 2020 that the knowledge will be changed, and in the 11th and 12th syllabus will be also be combined, like for art category, commerce category, and that is the science category. So you have to take a long term vision in your life so that you will be updated for the current situation. See, if you do not study well, what will happen? Your responses will be like, I will not get good marks in the examination. Another person can tell, I may fail in the examination. Any student, other student can tell, I will be blamed for neglecting studies. Other student can be tell like, parents will be angry for my negligence. Okay, in this way any student can answer. I give you 4 responses for that. Then next one is, if you do not participate in school activities or games, what will happen? It will happen like, one student can tell, my teacher and friends will treat me as an ideal and idle and inactive student. Second can also reply like, I will not be called as a social student. Third can be also a response that I will feel solitary and dull. Okay, the next question we have to move. If you wake up late on the working day, what will happen? one can say, I will miss school, peaceful morning. Other student can say, morning course will get delayed. One other student can be tell like, I will feel dull and lazy student. See, the next question is, if you ignore a friend in need, what will happen? Other friend will lose their faith in me, or they will leave, avoid me for ignoring my duties toward friend. Many will blame me for my betrayal also. Then see the C section. If you do not do exercise regularly, what will happen? What will happen then? Tell me. If I will not exercise regularly, can I stay healthy and fit physically and mentally? No, I don't. I will suffer from obesity. I will easily affected from infection and various diseases like corona also. See, now we will move to the next question, that is D section. In this section we have given a question that if you eat too much of junk food, what will happen? I will suffer from obesity, I may lose my immunity, I will not be able to live active life. These are the some points you can give as a response for this purpose. Now see, the question number 2 is given like things I can do in my life. Various people things to do. I will do this for my family, I want to do this for my nation and all that. In this activity you have to give your own thoughts according what do you want to do for your nation, for your family, for your friends, for your people, for your needy person, or for yourself. So let's get start the first section. If anyone can ask me what will I do for my nation, I will tell like that, keep my locality clean. I will obey the laws. You can also write this, but I am already suggest you that you should not mug up the knowledge, you should understand the knowledge. If you understand the knowledge, you will get interest in that. If you get interest in that, you will be like a rocket. Patriotism through deeds. Okay, these are the some things I want to do for my nation. See, for my family, what you do like keep my house clean. I will keep my house clean. Then I will care my family members. I will protect cultural heritage of my family members, take care of my elderly persons, preserve dignity for my family. I will preserve dignity for my family, respect for elder person. Such a way you can write according to your thoughts. That is not necessary to give any answer. You should give this answer. It is not necessary. You will give the answer according to what you wish in your life. Okay. The next session is given as for my friends. What you want to do for your friends? Help them in their need. Wait for them. Share their good and bad days, good and night thoughts. You can also write good and bad days, because many students think that their friends will be with them in the good days only or in the bad days only. You should live with your friends with the good days and also with the bad days. See, support them in their ventures or any problem they got. I will help, I will responsible, I will make sure that my class student or sorry my class friend will not get demotivated at any point. Now for the next chart we go for old people. What do you do for old people? Take care of them. Okay, I can write it like care for them. Then look after their health, look after according to yourself. You can go with their can read some stories for them, or can read newspaper for them. As we know, for the old age days, the person got weak eyesight, they can't see anything clearly, then you can help them, or you can do any activity for them, like giving their notebook, giving their sorry, giving their spectacles, or giving their stick for their other purpose. Okay, you can do by your way. There are so many ways to help the elder people also. So see, the next section is given as the for the needy person. What will you do for the needy person? Help them in need correctly, then identify their needs, then support them. I will support them in their needs, because it is too much important to support any person, share their miseries like that way. For myself, what do you want to do for yourself? I will do exercise, I will not eat junk food, I will study well, I will respect my teachers advice, I will do according to directed by them, I will dream high, I will believe in myself. Various points you can write here. Okay, these are the things we have to do in the third question. There is a some things we have to do in the third question, that is complete the following web and write a paragraph. You have to complete this web. See, why we are drawing such a web? Because you have to visualize your dream in a very pure and genuinely. You have to do this regularly. Why? Because your mind or our brain works in the like neurons work in the pattern only. That's why we understand images fastly rather than just explaining or just listening. We understand image with the audio visual purpose. We understand all the things clearly. That's why you are seeing my video also. See, in this my wish, what is my wish? My wish is travel in space. Okay, travel in space. Okay, the next will be like land and walk on the moon. Anyone can tell, like I want to go on the Mars also. It is not necessary to go only on moon. You can write it as a Mars also. From space stations take off for moon, Mars and Venus. Anybody can say my wish is to become an IAS officer. One person can tell my wish is to become a successful businessman in my life. Anything can you imagine. What is your wish? It is more necessary. Go into orbit, revolve around earth. That's some extraordinary thinking are there. So in this way we have completed our you start dying slowly chit chat section. In the next section we will learn this total poem and hard word containing in that. Also we will explain this poem in a very simple language so that you can understand this poem according to your personal growth, physical growth and mental growth also. Okay, we will meet in our next video.